Hey, fourth grade, here is your video for our short week, Tuesdays first. So today we're going to be on page 159. We're going to be doing some more division. So let's look at some of these. If I give you 6,560 divided by 8, remember, divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, repeat. So let's start with 8. It cannot go into 6, so let's look at 65. Let's think of a fact. 8 times what gives me something close to 65? 8 and 8, I fell on the floor. 8 times 8 is 64. So it can go in 8 times. That's my division. Now I multiply those two outside numbers. 8 times 8 is 64. 65 minus 64 is 1. Bring down the 6. 8 goes into 16 2 times. 8 times 2 is 16. Subtract that, we get 0. Bring down our 0. Now we need to figure out how many times 8 goes into 0. It doesn't, so I put a 0 at the top. 8 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. So my answer is 820. So that's an example of a longer one that you'll get. You do not have a remainder here, so please don't put remainder 0 because you don't have to. Let's do another one. This is really what we're going to just be doing for the rest of the week. A lot of division. Let's do 2242 divided by 4. Okay, 4 can't go into 2, but it can go into 22 5 times. 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract that, we get 2. Bring down your 4. Now 4 goes into 24 6 times. 4 times 6 is 24. Subtract it, you get 0. Bring down the 2. Now 4 goes into 2 0 times. 4 times 0 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. Nothing else to bring down, so my remainder is 2. 560 remainder 2. Let's do another one. Really, this is all we're going to be doing. We're just going to be doing a lot of review. So let's do 3,276 divided by 4. 4 goes into 32 8 times. Multiply 4 times 8, 32. Subtract that, I get 0. Bring down my 7. 4 goes into 7 1 time. 4 times 1 is 4. Subtract. I get 3. Bring down the 6. 4 goes into 36. Let's see. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9. And we get 0. So 819 is our answer. Okay, so today I'm going to let you go on to your classwork. It's just more of this. It's actually the same page we did on Friday, I think. So for today, Tuesday, you're going to do page 159, 15 through 20. So only about 6 problems here. So I'm going to let you guys go ahead and get started, and I'll see you here for Wednesday's video. All right, Wednesday's video. Today we're going to be on page 159 again. So let's just do a couple of examples together, and I'll let you guys go on to practice. So let's do 2,943 divided by 3. We have to look at 29 here. So I think 3 times what gets me close to 29, and that's 9. 9 times 3 is 27. And when I subtract that, I get 2. Bring down my 4. Now, 3 goes into 24. So let's think. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24. Then I multiply 3 times 8, which I just did, and I got 0. Bring down the 3. 3 goes into this 3 one time. 3 times 1 is 3. Subtract it, we get 0, so our answer is 981. Remember to check it, you can do 981 times 3. So if we do that, I get the the dividend, so I am correct. Okay, let's do another example. If you hear my dogs, I'm sorry. It's thunderstorming outside and they are a little whiny today. Okay, let's do $6,946 divided by 5. Now look at this one because this one's a little bit different. I usually look at those first two numbers, right? But that would give me a double-digit number. So let's just look at this one. 5 can go into 6 one time, so I'm going to put the 1 there. 5 times 1 is 6. When I subtract it, I get 0. Bring down the 9. 5 goes into 9 one time. 5 times 1 is 5. Subtract that, I get 4. Bring down my 4. 5 goes into 44 8 times. 8 times 5 is 40. Subtract that, I get 4. Bring down my 6. 5 goes into 46 9 times. 5 times 9 is 45. Subtract that, we get remainder 1. So you see this time, because I was able to go into this first number right here, my answer is going to be a little bit longer, which is fine. I just had to bring down 3 times. Okay, so I'm going to erase this one. Remember, if I'm going too quickly, you can always go back and pause or rewind. Let's do 3,454 divided by 7. All right, so 7 has to go into 34. 7 times 5 is 35. That's too big, so it's going to have to be 4. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 to 34 is 6. Bring down our 5. 7 times something gives us close to 65. That's 9. 9 times 7 is 63. Subtract it, you get 2. Bring down the 4. 7 goes into 24 3 times. 7 times 3 is 21. Subtract it, we get a remainder of 3. Okay, so I'm going to let you work on classwork today. You're going to do numbers 21 through 26 on page 159. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thursday, today you're going to have a quiz. It is not open book. I want you to use what you know in your head. I need remainders at the top, and make sure you go slowly and let me know if you have any questions. This will be the end of Thursday because it's just a little quiz today. All right, Friday, guys, today is a little bit different. Today we're going to do testing review. I want you to try those questions on your own. These are questions that are very, very similar to what you will see on your standardized testing, which is in the middle of March. So we're really coming up close, about a month away. So I want you to try these on your own, and I will check them and give you the right answers. But just try them and see how you can do on your own, and then check it and see how well you did, okay? This is the end of your video this week. It was pretty short. We had a short week, and we're just doing division. Next week, we will have a division test, and I'll let you know pretty soon what that date is, okay? Have a great weekend.